Hello there. Now I'm gonna teach you how to fix that something went wrong error while using ChatGPT, okay? So what is the error? First of all, this is what the error should look like because I cannot show it right now on my own since I haven't received it yet. So technically it's something like this. It's something went wrong while using ChatGPT. The main reason is ChatGPT can be overloaded, especially now it's trending. It's the one that everyone likes. So as this one overloads its servers or systems, it can handle errors. So first thing is what you want to do is refresh the page, not just refreshing the chat that you have. I want you to refresh on the upper left, this circle icon right here. Click on it. Just keep on clicking on it around 3 to 5 times. So this is my fourth and this is my fifth one. Perfect. You can also refresh it by clicking the search bar and just click enter again and again until you're comfortable with the refresh you had. Now moving on, if you still haven't fixed the error or you still have this error, it may be the server is really overloaded. As you can see here, it says the limitations, occasionally generate incorrect information and limited knowledge and something like that. It should include that error actually. Anyway, I want you to see this one. If you're still having that error, I want you to take note of this one. Currently, if you're having a free plan, it says on the very first part, available when the demand is low. It's actually saying that you can only use ChatGPT properly if no one or not a lot of people are using it. Technically, that's the meaning of this one. So, if you want to use it while people are using it, wherein a lot of people will use it actually, because it's really good AI, I suggest you get this plan. It's $20 per month. It's available even when demand is high. Okay? So get this ChatGPT Plus subscription, or just wait for it the demand to get low and continue in your free plan. Okay? So that's how you fix that error. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.